Hello dear gamers, Yorkfield here, and today we are finally back for yet another unboxing video a few months later. But this time we're not gonna unbox any random dumb thing. We're going to unbox two upgrades for two of my PCs. One for my desktop PC and one for my gaming laptop that I showed you around 2 years ago. That I bought around 2 years ago. I think on that laptop video I said that I'm gonna upgrade the SSD, and that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe not in this video, but I'm gonna do it later. But it may be one of the things you're gonna see in this box, because apparently there's an SSD and a GPU. It's a desktop GPU, and in this video I'm not alone. I am finally back with
Swag.
No, not soy.
Swag.
Yes, swag. So yeah, let's start the video. You can't see me nor swag, but you can at least hear us.
Yeah.
And that's enough. There's already something here to open it, so yeah. Let's see if it'll open enough. By the way, the package comes from Spain, since we bought the components from a Spanish website that sells PC components called PC Componentes. It's my first time buying PC parts from them, so we'll see how good or not good they are or not. Okay. The box is perfectly designed to fit both the GPU and the SSD.
Especially for it.
Yep. And they protected it pretty well, actually. Like the box's width and height is exactly designed for what's inside. So here we have the GPU, an RX 7600 from Gigabyte, and it's the OC edition, which means it's already overclocked while manufacturing, so overclocked in factory. And there is the SSD, which I'm going to show you after I cut this tape. So there it is. It's a KIOXIA EXCERIA Plus G3. The 2 terabyte model. If you haven't heard about KIOXIA, it's basically a Japanese SSD manufacturer, basically a brand owned by Toshiba Memory that renamed itself to KIOXIA in 2018. Yes, the SSD says made in Taiwan, but if you look at the barcode, it says 458, and that means the product is from Japan. And yeah, manufacturer KIOXIA Corporation, Shibuya, Minatoku, Tokyo. So yeah, we'll unbox the SSD first as it's faster to unbox.
Small.
Yeah, it's very small since it's an M.2 SSD. Let's cut this tape here. I hope I don't break anything in there. Sorry about that noise in the background. There's just cars around my house. Okay, in which direction? Okay, this direction.
Nice.
And let's see. How can I take this out? Ah, there it is. Yep. It's much smaller than what I've expected. And I like how they put it in a little plastic bag. And they even wrote "pura" in Japanese here, which means basically plastic. And I think under it there are some documents or some crap, like the warranty and stuff.
Yeah.
Safety instructions, quick start guide. And I think the warranty is already included. Like it's, I think, a 5-year warranty from the manufacturer and a 2-year warranty from the seller, PC Componentes.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put the SSD away because we're gonna need quite a lot of space to unbox the RX 7600, which by the way supports DirectX 12 Ultimate and ray tracing. Where's English? There you go. So, powered by AMD Radeon RX 7600 GPU, full Microsoft DX12 Ultimate and OpenGL 4.6 support, equipped with Gigabyte WindForce cooling system. And you have the same thing in other languages.
Even French.
Yeah. So English, Polish, Korean, I think these are Chinese, Portuguese, Thai, Russian, Vietnamese, German, Spanish, Japanese, and French is last, apparently. Right after Japanese. There's the side of the box. Yeah, it's the model with 3 fans. Let's look at the back.
Wow.
32 AMD RDNA 3 compute units with ray tracing and AI accelerators. 32 megabytes of AMD Infinity Cache technology. AMD Radeon Display Engine. AMD Radeon Boost technology. AMD Radeon Anti-lag technology. And it says minimum 550 watts or greater PSU recommended. And since our PSU in our desktop is a 550 watt hybrid PSU, that will be good. And that will be good enough. WindForce cooling system. Apparently that's how the WindForce cooling system of Gigabyte works. I haven't tried a Gigabyte GPU in quite a while, so
I heard it's great.
I heard that it's great too. Fidelity Effects, FreeSync, Infinity Cache, Radeon, blah blah blah, owned by AMD. Record and stream, crisp and clear, elevate your game, brilliant color accuracy, unified AMD performance, high performance rendering, yeah, Fidelity Effects, RSR, basically the equivalent of DLSS.
We are Team Red.
Yeah, I became Team Red along with Swag in 2023.
I hate NVIDIA.
Yeah, the new NVIDIA got crappy, especially with their new 5000 series. Let's open it. Oh, it's a black box. I'm quite disappointed.
But,
yeah, with the word Gigabyte. Let's open it. Oh, it's black again. Whoa, I got scammed.
Nothing.
What is this? Is this the warranty?
HDMI.
Ah. Yeah, it's the quick start guide.
Yeah, I don't care about it.
And the GPU is right under it. There we go.
Wow, it's beautiful.
And yep, it's brand new, obviously. We bought both the SSD and the GPU brand new.
Look at that.
Well, let me try to open it if there's a tape. Yeah, there we go. Gigabyte qualified.
It's really protected.
Yeah, obviously, because the GPU is very fragile. Let's get it out of here.
Look at that beauty.
And there it is. And you can tell about that it's brand new with the seal and also with this on the PCIe connector. Yep, there's 3 fans. This one is towards is counterclockwise. This one is clockwise, and this one is also counterclockwise. In terms of ports, we have 2 HDMI ports and 2 display ports.
Nice.
That's an upgrade from my RX 5500, which only has 1 HDMI port and 3 display ports.
5500 XT.
Yeah, despite this card being much newer, like 4 years newer, it has 2 HDMI ports, which is good. Let's see if there's anything else under the box.
I don't.
Nope. There is nothing. We're gonna put everything back later. So yeah, that was the unboxing of the RX 7600 for my main desktop and the KIOXIA EXCERIA plus G3 2TB SSD for my gaming laptop. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, take care, and remember, life is a game with many games to choose from.
Yep.
Peace!